Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken using my system last week. All right, so let's get it started. This is the first trade on the week started on the 15th, April 15th, right? So from 15 to 19, let's see what happened. So 15th, this is USD yen 7-minute chart, long entry, and my setup is right there. My entry is right there, and the setup is that this yellow has to be up to the black, this indicates all the way down, red candle turning blue, and then price making higher low, and my setup is ready. My alarm beeps, and if I have the EA, automatic EA in place, then it opens the trade itself, and this is the case. You see the arrow? This trade was opened by the EA automatically, right? And when the EA opens the trade here, it put the SL right here. Only 15 pip from 7-minute chart. If my entry is wrong, I lose 15 pip, not more than that. So this is the first trade. And then the second is gold. You can see here the same thing. The gold EA is a little bit different settings. So I made an E out of that. And it opens the trade as well automatically. This is a small arrow there. And SL is right there. So you can see that SL never got hit. And similarly, the entry was here, all of these entries. But there is a reason behind it as well. So we have to pay attention to that as well. Right? The indicator doesn't work alone. We have to know that if the price is making the turn. I'll show you at the end of the video how I do that. Now, this is also gold going again to the upside after the retracement. Again, next move. And it was also opened by the EA. And this is a pound Aussie. Look at the beautiful trade taken by the EA. It went up nice and clean. And this indicates all the way down. Buy order is right there. SL moves to break even. I move the SL on break even. If once, my trade is like 25, 30 pip positive, then move the SL to break even plus so that, if it reverse on me, break it, get out and break even. But this one, 120 pip, straight line. This is Nasdaq dropping all the way down here from 180.82 to 177.10. This is also all on 15. See that? S&P 500 also dropped. Because these charts I made, my weekly analysis were saying that I made the charts on, I think, March 13th, that they're all going to drop. All the stock market, like S&P 500, Nasdaq, US 30, I have the charts on my website, before and after weekly charts. So you can see those charts there. I was waiting all these short moves, and they happened, and I took the trades. Euro Aussie, again, same thing here. Arrow is there. That means this trade was also opened by the EA buy orders right there, and it is for 75 pip. And this one, pound yen, going to the upside, 60 pip on 16th. Now the game starts for the next day, 16th. Pound Aussie start to the price goes up and then comes down and goes up and comes down all the right, all the time it does. So it is a short setup here, and then 60 pip to the downside from 7-minute chart. A lot of trades on 7-minute chart this week. US 30 also, like I said, that it was supposed to drop, and it did. And this one is the second trade, US 30, two trades. This was on, see, this is on 18, it went up and then retraced a little bit, and then on 18, drop it again. See, you can see the price. This entry is 377.73, and this entry is 379.89. Right. So these are two different trades. Then Euro Aussie here, beautiful entry. This one I even posted on my Telegram. Some of these entries are posted on the Telegram, for example. Here, see EA making long on 20-minute. And later on, I posted the same trade. I took it and I closed here and I posted on here 95 pip. You see that? So 95 pip trade EA on the 18th, and S&P 500 again dropping from there, 50.14 to 49.42. And here, Nasdaq dropping again. Sell order is right there. And beautiful entry from 174.32 to 171.31. Big drop on 18th, and this is gold going to the upside again, just going up and down and up and down, right? And then Euro Aussie on 18th, 80 pip. This is also opened by the EA. Small arrows right there. Buy order, SL move to break even plus. Same setup. Everything is by the setup. Every trade you see, you must see. You will see in my setup according to 4 conditions. In fact, 5 conditions in on 7-minute chart. Once they are all there, then my E opens the trade. Now on the 19th, which is Friday. So this is what happened again. Pound yen from 20-minute chart, long 85. Okay. Pay attention to these on 19, what happened today, in yen pairs especially, and I'll show you how easy it is to find these trades. And based on what, okay? So on the 19, euro yen from 20-minute chart, long setup to 65. On the 19 euro yen, this is started from here, that 20-minute entry, and then dip, and then 7-minute gave me 50 pip trade again on the 19, right? All long. This pound yen, you saw the 20-minute chart, and now this is from 7-minute chart. Another entry is for 65 pip. It is just like that. You made an entry on an hourly chart, regular hourly chart, and then you make some pip. But with hourly, the trade currently going on an hourly chart gives you another entry, and then you add another entry or add the position from 5-minute chart, right? That's how it is. So I'll take 20 and then 7 as well. Here on the 19 Aussie yen, see how many Aussie yen pairs? All euro yen, pound yen. You saw euro yen, pound yen here, 4 trade of these. Then Aussie yen for 60 pip, and then CAD yen also for 60 pip. On almost everything is the same kind of setup, right? Big move and then dip, make the entry, gone, right? This one is like that. This one is like that. This one is like that, and I'll show you why. And this is last but not least the oil, and then this is the pound news today, Friday. We had pound news, and then a couple of guys from UK came out, and then they were talking about something, right? Yellow news, but it was very effective. So pound CAD dropped from here, beautiful by the book entry here. I had a long entry here, which it came down here. My SL was there. It moved here. I came, sit on break even, and boom, it takes me out. That's how most of my losers are, with getting out break even or maybe like 10 pip loss or something like that. 10, 15 pip, not more than that, right? I do not allow that. If, for example, here, if you make an long entry here, it will go there, and I sit on a break even, it comes back and take my SL out. What do I lose? Nothing, right? That's exactly what happened here. And then it dropped here, and then here, I open the short trade here. There's the SL here, and you can see the price never look back. And it dropped for 120 pip. And here, pound USD did the same thing. Sell orders there, and this was also this one or the before. There was another entry which got knocked out, and then this is another one, the last one, and it is only for 70 pip, and this is the last one. Oh yeah. Now let me show you that why and how easy it is to look at the yen pairs. CAD yen long, Aussie yen long, pound yen long, euro yen long, euro yen long, pound yen long, right? So 6 of these trades, and all to the long side, 6 all yen pair trades, right? Now, why is that? What the heck happened? What's a conspiracy or something? No. Look at that. This is the yen index chart, right? Yen index means individual yen currency, only individual yen currency, not a pair, and you don't trade. This is the chart that tells you the direction of that currency. Either it is at the moment getting weaker or stronger, right? So when it is coming down, red candle shows that time yen is getting stronger. So that means all yen pair will be going down or retracing, because the trend is up, by the way. On this one, you can see here, see, big trend up, right? So, and if it is going up, that means the yen is getting weaker. So what happened? When the yen is getting stronger, all yen pair will go down with that, because yen is always on the right hand side on each and every yen pair. Now, if after this reversal candle, this white candle after red, this is the candle, white candle, and at that time the game starts here as well, right? But I'm just going to give you an example here. So let's see this candle, this white candle finished when? we see that 419, 625, right? 419 means Friday and 6 o'clock. Let's say 6 o'clock, right? 6:30. And after that, I have to look for entries, long entries, because the yen start to go up because the retest is finished, right? The retracement is how much? You can see that you all know that, Fibonacci and all that, right? It's a reversal zone, 61, 68, and trend line and all that. So many reasons there. And because of that, it gives you a reversal candles that signaling that it is making a turn. Now, no guarantee, right? So what we do is that we start looking for long setup. If it is going to make the turn, and if it is going to go up, all yen pair will go up. That's the idea, right? So after that, on a 7-minute chart, I look for my entry. 419, 6 o'clock. Let's take a look what happened after that. All these trades, when they were when the entry came. This one you can see here, 19, 9 o'clock. All right, that candle gave me the signal that yen pair is going to go up at around 6:30. So in a couple of hours later, I got the entry, long entry, so I took it because yen index was getting weaker, started to get weaker. This one, 9 o'clock, 8:30 or 9 o'clock, the entry came, right? After 6 o'clock. This one, 11 o'clock. So the first one was here, the second was here. The game was, continue, right, to the upside. So all yen pair will go up. So this is also on April 19th, 11 o'clock. This one, you can see here, is exactly 11:19, around like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And that reversal candle finished when? You can see here that it is at 6:30, 6:25, 6:30, right? So in couple of hours into this, all yen pair make the turn also and start to go to the upside. And all you have to do is take the entries. Now this one, and what else? Aussie yen, if you look at the time here, 8 o'clock. So when the yen index made the turn, when? 6:30, 7, 8, hour and a half. That happened. And within that hour and a half, it went up, boom, entry, gone, entry, gone. Canadian, what time? 9 o'clock. 8:30, 9 o'clock, the entry was there. And it did the same thing. It was down here. When the reversal candle was finished here, and on this yen, it is finished here from here to here because this is a 20-minute chart, so it's a big candle, right? So that makes the yen weaker, and obviously when yen gets weaker, yen pair go up. So that happened, and this went up as well, and going to the upside, it dipped a little bit. I get my 4 conditions entry, and you open the trade, boom, it's gone. It's that easy. But you must understand that when to put the EA on the chart. You can't leave it on all the time. No. Once we see this reversal candle, and why and how we see the reversal candle, because I have an EA made for that as well. So on these charts, my index charts and my 40-minute charts, I have a separate alarm EA. So whenever I have a reversal candle anywhere, it beeps. That gives me a signal that the turn is about to happen in the pairs. So I go into the pairs and look for my entries by putting my alarm on those pair charts, 7-minute and 20-minute. And when that happens, when the setup is there, the alarm beep, and I open either manually, I open the trade, or if I have the EA robot over there, it opens the trade. So this is a system. It's all planned system. Everything is based on something else. It's just not an indicator that buy, sell, opening trades without any reason. No. Even though I have to have, my weekly chart analysis on all that. So based on that, like here, see this? I made the chart here that if you go above 70, 75, we're going to go up. So 70, 75 is right there. So we went up, and now we are at 71.19. When yen index going up, all yen pair goes up. So if I take all these yen pairs long, 6 or 7 trades, it's no rocket science. It's very easy peasy. It's just It's make sense, logic. That's it. All right. If then, All right. So just wanted to show you guys, share with you guys. And if you're interested to get the system and learn how to do that, go on my website, creativetradingsystem.com. You have multiple options there to get the system, or learn by signing up for one-on-one. I teach you every single thing, how to do these, how to get these charts, how to open these charts, where to get these indexes and all of that. Harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, my system, how to make the entry, what are the 4 conditions, right? What are the timings they have to trade? Every single thing the forest has to do with trading and all of that, right? So this is it for now. Today's Friday is gone. Saturday morning coming up now, 5 a.m. So have a very, very wonderful weekend. Enjoy, and I'll see you back in Sunday evening when the market reopens. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.